Hello everyone, Simon here from myforestmagicweb.com. Excuse me. Trying to make this small video about a little bit of recap, what we have done and how we are doing here. So let's get started without wasting any time. This is what I'm showing right now in front of you is a simple diagram how the Elliott wave works. Elliott wave theory, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC correction. Impulse wave has 5 waves and then price correct itself around 61%, 50, 61% or 78%, something like that. Make a girdle or something. Okay. So this is how a normal, the very basic Elliott wave fashion. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So sometimes what happens is this wave 4 and wave 2 are corrective waves where the price does a correction. And usually sometimes like this one also, wave 1, 2, then you have wave 3 and consists of 5 subwaves in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that makes 3. Then you have a side wave correction instead of a zigzag fast correction. You have a very slow side wave correction where you have A, B, C. A is equal to C, A, B is equal to C, D kind of thing. It is called flat. Okay, but there are some other kind of corrections too, which one of them very common and very hard to trade is a triangle. So if the wave 3 is big and powerful, then most of the time you will fall into a triangle. Triangle have 5 legs in it, A, B, C, D, E. Let me show it to you how it is. Go here. Okay, this is a triangle. So wave at the end of wave 3, you fall into a triangle in wave 4, where you have 5 legs, A, B, C, D, E. Now, knowing this and exactly what are the the conditions and everything, this is what I teach in my webinars, right? So, knowing about the triangle and diagonal and all that, makes you ready to pinpoint. If you see similar patterns on the chart, then you'll be able to find them and recognize them and then trade accordingly, according to these rules and turning points. So I found one in several pair actually that they were in triangle, and then we start trading for last whole month. But so let's go take a look which one I was talking about. The first one I'm going to show you is like this pair here. This is pound yen, and when I first located it is right here. Okay, so this was 21st March. That it's like you can see how similar it is. See that? A, B, C. I caught it when it was at C, right here. Then I said, okay, this should be the route if it is a triangle, and it was looking like this is wave 3, big one. Then you have A, B, and then C, D. We needed the D, E, and then go up. So what really happened on this pair? Let's take a look. We went up. We finished the D, and this is, I said, we successfully traded like D, and then it's the time for leg E going down. We came nicely for leg E, then I says now it's time to go up, and then we start going up, and right now currently we are here. Actually, let me see if I can see pound yen. We are at 58, 170 to 58. Okay, yeah, exactly there. So we are trying to break now. Trying to break this triangle. It is time to break it, and if we break it, this will be very easily reached, 74.80. Okay, so you can go ahead and trade that. If you find the entries, whatever the strategy you use, we in our group we use my Forex Magic Wave strategy, and we have specific time and specific rules to trade with that, and it's easy. Okay, if you know what you're doing, this is how I show you. So let's see, similarly in other pairs, for example, yen index. Okay, we were here, no, not here, but let me show you where we were. It was not a triangle, but it was simple setup, trade setup. So I said, well, if we break above, we go up there, but if down, we will come down here. Then from there, either down or up. So what we did. We came down to this TL. Yes, we came down to this TL here. And then I says, no, we're not going down. We're going up. And let me show you where we are now. And the index, I'll show you right now. We are currently, what's up? Yeah, we are, well, not all the way, but we are slowly going up, right? From here, we are right around here right now, right? See that? So currently we are moving to the upside slowly, perfectly. Okay, so let's see how far it goes, and if this thing keep going, then euro, yen, pound, yen, we have a good chance to keep going to the upside, because yen, when it goes up, gets weaker. Okay, another pair, I was watching this pound index, by the way. Okay, so we caught it here. I said was going to go for D, then E, and goes up, and it came. It went up, but not as didn't go to touch the D, this triangle upper TL. Instead of that, it dropped for E. I said it's going to go up, and where it is now, let's go and take a look. It is nicely all the way up. Whoa! It broke the triangle, and it just keep going strongly, right? So we have pound yen. Like I said, we are hitting the TL. I just showed you, right? So it is probably gonna be breaking that. Where'd it go? See, pound yen, we are here. Pound yen, we are here. So if we break that and 72.85, that's it. We're gone, because pound index is very strongly going on, and pound yen, pound is on the left hand side. That's gonna fly. So this is one of them. And yesterday I sent out this chart. Look how nice it is. Nice, clean, clear-cut Elliott wave. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5. And notice that wave 3 has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 subwaves. I just showed you the diagram there, how it is. Let me show you. Right here, it's just 1, 2, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 3, then sideways correction, and then goes up, right? So sometimes instead of sideways, you can see what happened. Oh, here. It came down, 1, 2, 3, 4, small sideways correction within the channel, and went up. How we go with in the channel, this is how we go. Step by step. Let me show it to you. This way will be the beginning of that. See, so 1, 2, then you go. This is how I teach that how you make the channel. See, wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we come back for channel touch for wave 4, which we did in this case here. Let me see where we are currently now on the Aussie. See, we are nicely bouncing and going up. We went up a little bit, so let's see how far we go. We are at break even. I went wrong, but you see how nice and clean with the diagram. Wave 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wave 3, and wave 4 comes and touch the channel, going up. This is how exactly this thing is doing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC. Then start going up for wave 5. It will be somewhere here. This is how I showed it here. So we're gonna be going there. So will it go there or not? So far is on track. Okay. And like I said, pound yen, pound yen and yen index and pound index, and there's a lot of other examples. We trade accordingly. The harmonic patterns. I'm not showing any harmonic patterns here. We had several. USDX, by the way, very, very good. Let me get to that real quick if I can. USDX. I forgot to write, but maybe this, I don't know. Let's see. Let's open it up and see what it is. If it is, oh, it is already done, but I start showing. Let me see if I can. Yeah, here. See how nice and clean will it hold? And we, by the way, you can check on your charts. Well, let me show it to you. See, I marked here, and then I said probably 7303. So one of those chart I sent out and it says the wave 3. See, wave 4 should end at 7300. It's going up 7300. And you know where we are now? How we from where we made the turn? Just show it to you. Okay. And this we touch here, and it was exactly the high was 7300, not a pip more or less. But we came down and at 7268, now we're bouncing back. So let's see what happens, okay? Hold your horses. So, you know, it's very tricky. So if we break this 7303, then we can probably go here. But, you know, we reached to 7303, and now we see we're going to have to see that if we make the turn and then start coming down. So this is how it is. Weekly chart and all that. Okay, so these are a few trade setups, pound yen and all that. I just showed you that we've been watching, we've been trading, and you know, from this leg went up to D, then came down for E. Now we're going up again. Very, very nice, clean, accurately. And this is, if you know, this is the difference. Learning. If you learn properly what it is and how to trade each leg one by one. See, I missed the leg B to C. I should have taken that too. In fact, from A to B as well. But see what I'm doing. My job is scan through the market, 20 pairs or 15 pairs, and then indexes in each and every time frame and this and that. I tend to miss a lot of setups. These things, you know, the Elliott waves and harmonic patterns. And yesterday somebody mentioned me that, how about this? It was a perfect harmonic setup. I didn't see it. Why? Because I'm too busy doing it. So, you know, I'm setting up these charts and, you know, going through the market, scanning, and send out as much as possible. Then I have to, you know, conduct webinars, live webinars here, there. So it's a lot of things. But the thing is that what I'm trying to say is that market doesn't do anything but make these patterns. These are proven strategies, patterns. Over the past years and years, people have researched and, you know, like come up with harmonic patterns. Harmonic patterns are nothing but the Elliott waves, actually. It's a different version of Elliott wave. Okay, Elliott waves are a little complicated thing for a lot of people. So what happened is that they says, okay, it's wave 1 and wave 2. We call it Gertle. You know what I'm saying? The Gertle is nothing but wave 1 and 2 in a harmonic pattern. Simple. Okay. Similarly, wave 4 and wave 5 get together and makes a butterfly pattern. So I also teach every single thing in my webinar: harmonic patterns, how they work together with Elliott waves, SNR levels, how to find these levels, by the way. 6939, let's say, if you had known that 6939 is a big level, we would wait here. And we did trade. I did trade like that. You know, so you just sit here and just watch the pair to start going up and use our, you know, Forest Magic Wave strategy, make an entry, nice and clean. Boom. Okay, so that, you know, strong level, this 7285, last time I said, well, we reached to the TL and at the point and 7285, so we have a good chance to drop, and we did. Where to find these numbers, where they come from, I teach everything. So if you like what you see, come and join us and start learning. Okay, and some of you probably watching and may know a lot more than I do. So, you know, sorry about that. You know, I don't mean to waste your time, but if you're doing good, you know, keep doing what you're doing. But, you know, I'm just talking to the people who really need to learn and get in this business and start making profitable trades. Come and join and start learning. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.